Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. So we are studying about inequalities in the triangle. Till now, we have read about the congruency. That is a part of this inequality here. So in this community, we have read about triple S. These sides are respectively equal. We have read side angle side, means two sides and included angle. That is equal here. We have read. See here, side angle side, two sides and the included angle. Then we have read angle side angle, means two angles and the included sides. And then we have read right angle hypotenuse side, means it is applicable for the right angle triangle. The figures are given here. This is for side and this is for side angle side, this is for angle side angle, and this one is for RHS. See, this is totally different triangle. This is right angle triangle. In this we have not taken right angle triangle, but it can be used in this triangle also, but depends on the situation, depends on the conditions that they have been given here. Okay, what we have to inequality. So what is inequality, that you should know first. So in mathematics, inequality is a statement of an order relationship. It can be greater than, it can be greater than or equal to, it can be less than, or it can be less than or equal to, between two numbers or algebraic expressions. Okay, between geometry this is used like this only. So what we have to, we will read by the sign only. See here, this is the sign of these things. This is the symbol of less than, very familiar from your childhood only. This is the symbol of greater than. This is less than and equal to. Okay, and this is greater than or equal to. So these are the four symbols that we have to use in our geometry also. How? See this. This is the first inequality, that if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the larger side is larger. Get it here, you can see. That means in this triangle ABC, AB is greater than AC. So what is the angle opposite to AB? Angle C. What is the angle opposite to AC? Angle B. So angle C is greater than angle B. Okay, this is the first inequality that we have discussed here. One more is there, that is sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. In a triangle, sum of two sides, see, x plus y is greater than z, or you can say z is less than x plus y. Similarly here also, if you add z plus x, two sides, x plus y, so z is less than x plus y. So always remember that the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, and the third side is always less than the sum of the two sides. So this is what inequalities we have read. On this I have made one video here that I would like to discuss with you. See here. Okay, this is a question here. So what is given there? In this it is given that AB is greater than AC, and D is any point on BC, then so that AB is greater than AB. Good. We are going to use this one. AB is greater than AC in which triangle? In triangle ABC. Obviously, then we have angle B and angle C. So we can say that angle ACB here, this angle is greater than this angle. Okay, see, I have written here. Angle ACB is greater than angle ABC. Or we can say that ACB can be written as ACD, correct? See here. So ACD is greater than angle ABC can be written as ABD. So I have written that, correct? So ACD is greater than angle ABD. Now we have exterior angle. Okay, we have an exterior angle in triangle ADC. Okay, in this triangle ADC, this is the exterior angle, that is angle ADB. Okay, that is angle ADB. So ADB is greater than angle ACB. D. Okay, so this is exterior angle is obviously we know that it is greater than the individual angle. So we can say here that angle ADB is greater than angle ACD. Correct? Now, what is the use of this? The use you will see right now. Now, we know that see here from this 1 and 2 angle ADB is greater than ACD and ACD is greater than ABD. See here, ACD is greater than, see here, ABD. That means angle ADB is greater than angle ABD. Correct? From 1 and 2 we can say this. Now we will come in this triangle ABD. Now we'll shift our focus in triangle ABD. Okay, in this triangle angle ADB is greater than angle ABD. See here, we have just proved now only. So we have to find the side opposite to the larger angle. The angle is ADB, so opposite side is AB. The smaller angle is ADB, ABD, and the side opposite is AD. So we have proved AB is greater than AD. This is what we had to prove, and by using inequality we have proved also. In this way we have to use this. So remember this and revise at your home nicely. Okay, if there is any problem, come to the classroom. Okay, we'll clarify all your doubts. Till then, all of you take care. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.